Welcome back to Ronnie, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you how to palpate the adductor tubercle of femur. Let's dive in. The adductor tubercle is an important bony landmark since your adductor group muscles attach there. Before palpating, wash or sanitize your hands, then introduce yourself to the patient and what you are about to do to gather consent. Make sure that you use your finger pads, adhere to a broad contact, and avoid too much palpation pressure to maximize patient comfort. Patient position will be in supine, head, trunk, pelvis in neutral, arms at sides and legs uncrossed. The therapist will be on the palpated side. The therapist slides the first dorsal web space of the hand from the shin until a shelf is encountered. That will be the knee joint line. From there, move the index finger superiorly to arrive at the medial condyle of the femur once you palpate a rounded bony prominence. From there, move your hand superiorly to arrive at the adductor tubercle. You can also use your upper hand index finger or the left hand index finger and move it inferiorly to arrive at the adductor tubercle. If your palpating fingers encounter a depression, you've gone too far as you are already on the distal medial shaft of the femur. So do you want to know how to palpate the parts of the patella, the quadriceps tendon, and the patellar ligament? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.